Our society really has an overemphasis on masculine energy, which can lead to stress, burnout, anxiety, depression. The key to restoring harmony and balance is in embodying our feminine energy, and there is no better time to invite this balance than the autumn equinox. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaylee, a feminine embodiment practitioner, and I empower women to align their mind, body, and spirit through holistic practices that support their journey toward heart-centered living and self-discovery. If that all sounds good to you, be sure to check out my free resource, the Root to Rise Foundations of Feminine Embodiment Workbook. There you'll find a treasure trove of practices to not only begin, but also deepen your own unfolding that you can come back to again and again. And you can find your free copy of that beautiful guide at themaidenmother.com/workbook. Now, let's dive into it. Before we dive into solutions, let's briefly explore what we mean when we talk about masculine and feminine energies. These energies are really more about qualities or modalities that are not tied to any specific gender. These are things that we all have within us. And I like to think of masculine energy more as like the sun. It represents qualities such as logic, discipline, control, and focus. It's like the bright, active energy of the day, driving us to achieve and conquer our goals. Feminine energy, on the other hand, is more akin to the moon, embodying intuition, receptivity, flow, creativity, and nurturing. This energy is reminiscent of the tranquil, reflective nature of the night, inviting us to rest, dream, and connect with our inner selves. Just as the sun and moon complement each other, providing balance for our day and night, we need both masculine and feminine energies to create harmony within us. And while both energies are vital, our society really has an overemphasis on masculine energy, which can lead to an imbalance. And this imbalance manifests as stress, burnout, anxiety, depression, disconnection from our true selves. The key to restoring harmony and balance is in embodying our feminine energy, and there is no better time to invite this balance than the autumn equinox. So the first way that you can use the magic of this transitional time in order to embody your feminine energy is to prioritize self-care. Embrace nurturing rituals that allow you to unwind and reconnect with yourself. This could be a luxurious bath infused with essential oils and herbs, a walk in nature to soak in the beauty of the season, or simply a few minutes of deep breathing. Self-care is not selfish. It's essential to enhance your self-care rituals and to embrace the balance of the autumn equinox. Check out my video, Equinox Affirmations for Self-Care. In that video, you're gonna find some awesome, empowering, even witchy affirmations to integrate into your daily routine. You can find that on my channel. It is also linked for you in the description box below. Engage in activities that really spark your creativity. Whether it's painting, dancing under the moonlight, clothing optional, I'm not gonna judge you. Cooking a meal with seasonal foods, tending to your garden. Honestly, you could just spend some time coloring in a coloring book. It does not matter. Just allow yourself some free time to express yourself openly and find flow. Creating with the sole purpose of expression and not for monetary gain or productivity or attached to judgment is such a powerful way to connect with your feminine energy. Personally, if you spend any time on my channel, you will know that I love tapping into my creativity as often as I can. And I especially love indulging in seasonal crafts so that I can help celebrate all the different times throughout the year. Equinox is no exception. In fact, I have a full step-by-step tutorial on how to craft a charm that can ground and protect your energy during this transitional season, utilizing knot magic in the form of embroidery. So if that kind of artistic spell crafting resonates with you, I will be sure to leave that linked in the description for you. I feel like a gratitude practice is something that gets talked about a lot in mindfulness spaces, and it's for good reason. I mean, it might feel a little bit played out, but there's a reason why, and it's because it is so impactful and it is so transformative. It's simple, but it is incredibly effective in helping you to remain present and balanced and invoking that reflective nature of the feminine. I feel like this harvest-centered time of year is such a fantastic time to really practice being thankful for all that you have, for the abundance that you find surrounding you in your daily life. Cultivate mindfulness by starting a gratitude journal. Each morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for, focusing on both small and significant blessings. Honestly, nature is probably one of the most profound sources of feminine energy. It is where she thrives. Spend time outdoors, barefoot if possible, and really connect with nature. Go touch grass, hug a tree, stick your hands in some dirt. I promise you, after you do that, you will feel a lot more grounded and balanced. This is also a fantastic time to really open your eyes and pay attention to the changing seasons, reminding you to honor and reflect on your natural cycles and rhythms. If you're new to earthing or grounding, I have a fantastic guided meditation for you on my channel that will help nurture you through a beginner-friendly earthing meditation. It involves a little bit of gentle movement as well. So again, you can find that on my channel, or I will leave it linked for you in the description below. We're gonna spend a little bit of time here because I feel like this is one area where especially women have a lot of difficulty, and that is setting healthy boundaries. As we settle into the back half of the year, I feel like this is the time where a lot of commitments and gatherings tend to ramp up and even get out of control for a lot of us, and it can get really stressful really quickly. Before we start like really getting into the hustle and bustle that the end of the year can bring, this is the perfect time to start practicing saying no without guilt and prioritize what truly matters to you. So a simple ritual you can do at any time during the equinox is to create a protective circle to set boundaries. Start by journaling or listing out what your priorities are during this season, whether that be putting a cap on how many gatherings you commit to or saying no to working after hours. Whatever your boundaries, get crystal clear on what they are and write them down on a piece of paper. Then you can go about creating your circle in one of 2 ways. You can either create a physical circle in a safe space, whether that's with salt, herbs, or even a circle of stones. Or you can create an energetic circle by using incense or a cleansing spray. Stand within it and state your boundaries aloud, envisioning a protective barrier around you that allows in love and balance while keeping out any negativity. Do this practice whenever you need a reminder that boundaries are a form of self-respect and a vital aspect of your feminine energy. I hope these tips inspired you to embrace the equinox's wisdom and allow it to guide you toward a more empowered and balanced self. Now, for even more support on this journey, do not forget to download your free copy of the Root to Rise Foundations of Feminine Embodiment workbook, designed to help you navigate and embrace this transformative season, and every season, really. Now, you can find your copy at themaidenmother.com/workbook, and it will also be linked in the description of this video. I love you and appreciate you so much for watching and for allowing me to join you on this truly transformative journey. I'll catch you in the next video, and until next time, stay magical, my loves. Bye.